Hey, so in this video, we're going to do a down and dirty, quick, in-depth look at the Boreal Garden Belt. So what the heck is a Boreal Garden Belt? Well, if you haven't heard, here in Alaska, we tend to have these long, dark, cold winters, and I decided to be really cool to make a belt that would hold all the stuff that I use in the garden. It's going to be very similar to our Boreal Bushcraft belt. It's a modular belt system. It's made of 2 pieces of leather, so there's a suede. So let's jump in and take a look at the things that I like to have with me in the garden. The Boreal Garden Belt, it's a simple little thing. I've got this wide strap to distribute the weight a little bit, and this 1.5 inch belt, it dives in and out. All the snaps, everything's removable. If I want to just wear it as a belt, I can take off the suspenders. Not quite sure if anything else is going to be added to this. I do have a little bit more room, but so far what I've got on here, I carry a Hori Hori garden knife. I found this is an amazing tool to work. I can dig, I can pry, I can cut things. Love to have this with me all the time. So made a nice little sheath for it. I did the cross draw just so it's not hanging down, makes it a little bit easier to work. I carry a bottle of isopropyl alcohol, a little spray bottle, and that is so I can, between my trimmings, I got my little trimmers, and between my trimmings, I just give it a quick squirt so that I'm not transmitting any diseases between plants. Gotta have a pocket knife. I went with just a little folding pocket knife, little oak handle, Opinel. Super sharp. Super easy, super simple. And went with the Tree of Life motif on that. And then this is just my foraging pouch. And so it's just a basmati rice bag. And if I want to put some seeds, or if I'm harvesting and I'm going to throw some crops in there, just a little bag just to have. And it nicely just folds up, rolls up, and gets right out of the way. On these, I did tool in some Northwind Homestead. And that's as simple as it is. It certainly is nothing compared to the Boreal Bushcraft belt, but it works well for its job. I want to thank you folks for stopping by the Northwind Homestead again. Look for future leather projects like this. I already know I'm going to make a beekeeper's belt. That's going to be right around the corner. Probably going to hang my smoker on one side, have something for a hive tool, maybe some type of pouch for my notebook and some pens and paper and stuff like that. So look for that coming out. It'll be the, imagine this, the Boreal Beekeeper's Belt. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Have a great day and be well. If you folks like projects like this, you can always stop by our Etsy store at Northwind Leather AK at Etsy. And as always, you can help out around the homestead by buying me a coffee.